Hi friends, today we are going to learn how to create geometry shapes in Sketchup. It is a part 2. First is a square pyramid. Create a square base. Again create a section of the same height, which has a height of 3 meter. Select the path, click follow me and create a desired face. Thus a square pyramid is made. Make it as a group. Here comes the cylinder. Create a circle of desired radius. Press pull it and make it as a group. It is a cylinder. Next is a cone. Similar to the cylinder, we have to create a base, and for making a cone, we have to create a vertical section. Now again select the base circle and follow me, and it will make a cone. Make it as a group. Now moving on to the truncated cone. Similar to the cone, except it is cut by a Z plane. The bottom part which remains is known as a truncated cone. Again create a circle and again create a vertical section. The change we are making in vertical section is going to be make a truncated cone. As you can see here, and in this truncated cone we see that it has two radius, bottom radius and top radius. Now moving on to the ring. It is a common shape. Use circle and we can make it in. What we have to do is we have to fillet the circle and delete the inner face, and we have to press pull it. This will create a ring shape. Delete the unwanted faces. Now moving on to hemisphere. Create a circle. What we have to do is we have to create another circle. We have to create a circle in y-axis. Now we have to cut the circle in halves. What we want is we have only wanted quarter part of the circle. So we are just selecting the quarter part and copying it and delete it, get it paste in place. Use follow me and it will create hemisphere. Reverse the faces and make it as a group. Thus our hemisphere is made.